high in the western Himalayas, cradled in the Karakoram Mountains of northern Pakistan, lies a plateau known as the Land of Giants. The towering K2 dominates this landscape, and to the southwest of it lies the Deosai Plateau, the second highest plateau in the world. From its rugged hills, the legendary Nanga Parbat can be glimpsed in the distant southeast. This icy wilderness is covered in a blanket of snow for 8 months of the year. But even in the extreme depths of winter, these plains are not barren. There is life here.